welcome to Besharam Club. She is my friend Jyoti.
And she's my enemy Bhavna.
Oh my god. So today we are going to take challenge to practice the longest word of the English language.
So Bhavna, have you ever heard that word?
I heard but I never practiced it.
Hasn't you? Okay, so in order to learn that word, we are going to practice it together. So you should know the trick behind it. So let's get started. So I think we should listen the word once.
क्योंकि हमें भी नहीं पता क्या होने वाला है.
Pneumono-ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis.
What is this?
Pneumono-ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis.
Don't dance.
I think it's song.
Yeah, but okay. So the word has something like causes and
Ultra.
why do you remember ultra?
Because there are so many things connected to the ultrasound, ultramide.
Oh, nice. So it goes like pneumonia,
Ultra. And
I think we should listen it one more time. Okay.
Pneumono-ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis.
I got that. Pneumonia, cologist, volcano and causes.
Okay, you include all things.
Yeah, I can't do that,
ultra,
sorry.
pneumonia, melonia, silonia.
Alright.
So what is the meaning of this word? I heard, I think, but I didn't use it.
Yes, what I know about the meaning, it's just it's like a lung disease. So I have got a trick to learn this word. So you should learn the word by splitting it into these halves. So it's like pneumono, ultramicroscopic, and then it's called silicovol, caniosis. Easy. So let's try it one more time. Okay. So it's pneumono,
microscopic, silicovol, caniosis.
That's fine. Chalo, let's give it a huge try. Last try. Fine. Okay. So it's like pneumono, ultra, microscopic,
silicovol, caniosis.
Woohoo! We learned the word.
RD.
Okay, so that was the longest word. Just for you, let me try it one more time, and that will be the last. So the complete word which you have to learn is according to this trick: pneumono, ultra, microscopic, silicovol, caniosis.
And thank you so much for watching it. And don't forget to subscribe it.
Like, comment, and share. And please share this trick with your every friend. Thank you so much.